In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon Buy with Prime to your Shopify store. This feature allows eligible customers to use their Amazon Prime benefits directly on your Shopify product pages. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Apps. This section allows you to install integrations and additional features for your Shopify store. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar and type Leotech. Now look for the app called Leotech Amazon Buy button and click on it. Next, click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions during the setup process. Simply continue and confirm the installation. After the app is installed, open the app dashboard. Now look for the Amazon button settings and select the Prime option. This step enables the Buy with Prime functionality inside the app. Next, click Select Products. You'll now see a list of products from your Shopify store. Choose the products you want to enable with Amazon Buy with Prime by selecting them from the list. After selecting your products, click Add to confirm your choices. Now locate the status section inside the app settings. Enable the Prime functionality for the selected products to activate the Buy with Prime button on your storefront. You may also see a pencil or edit icon that allows you to customize the appearance and settings of the button. Depending on the app requirements, you may need to upgrade to a premium plan to fully activate the Buy with Prime integration. Once everything is configured, save your changes and preview your Shopify product pages. Your selected products should now display the Amazon Buy with Prime option for eligible customers. This can help improve customer trust and offer faster checkout options through Amazon Prime benefits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Amazon Buy with Prime to Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.